Hey there, welcome to Power Kits AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lovable completely free and unlimited for your project. Okay, so it can be the landing page project or web application or a website, whatever you are creating inside Lovable, it will freeze your credit and you do not need to purchase credit for a high price. Okay, so here you can see the extension and you can also get the extension from our Discord server. You will get the link below the video inside the description or into the comment section. Okay, to join our Discord server, just join there and go to the download extension tab. You will get the link to download the extension here. You will get the updated version. Okay, here it is. It has the extension as well as the video tutorial showing how you can install it. Okay, so let's get back to the work. Okay, so here into the Lovable account, you can see I have already installed my extension here. So I'm going to send a prompt, and this will actually works for anything you are doing inside your Lovable account, and also it will freeze the existing credit. Okay, whatever number of credit you have, let's say for example in this account I have 5 credits, so this is actually free credit. Everyday Lovable gives you 5 credits, and that actually works with the extension. Okay, so these 5 credits will be exactly as it is here. Okay, it will be freeze when I am working with the extension. Okay, so let me send a prompt. Say for example I want to fix some SEO related issues. So when I will send the prompt, then Lovable will work. Okay, you can see the prompt reached Lovable, and Lovable AI agent started to work on that prompt, while it will keep our existing 5 credit intact. Okay, so let it complete. It's making the plan now. Okay, so let it complete first, then we will see how it actually works. Well, our plan is created. You can see here the full SEO plan created, and now instead of approve it from here, we will just send a prompt from here that the plan approved, implement it. Okay, I just sent this simple prompt that the plan approved and you can implement it. Okay, so once I send the prompt, that will actually implement the plan that Lovable just created for the SEO related issues I just sent. Okay, so this way you can just send unlimited prompt to Lovable, and you can build anything you want without spending a single credit from your account. Okay, so this is actually for people who want to just get rid of the credit system and want to use Lovable for your project unlimitedly. Okay, so feel free to join our Discord server and you can get the license and everything from here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.